What's going on, everyone? It's Cap_official_Insta, and I'm back with another review for you. And look what I got today. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. The Jordan 4 Travis Scott Oilers, aka Cactus Jack Jordan 4. I got it! Yeah? Managed to pick this up for retail, which was, I believe, around £170, £165, and yeah, picked them up today, won a raffle. If you don't know who Travis Scott is, he's a famous rapper from the United States. If you don't care about music or hip hop or rap, then he's Kylie Jenner's baby daddy. If you don't care about reality TV, then this is just a very limited Air Jordan 4 collaboration with a musician or artist. Musician, artist? It's all a form of art, innit? So yeah, let's get straight into this and let's have a quick look at this shoe. So, if you didn't know, 2019 will mark 30 years of the Air Jordan 4. And yeah, so this model, you're gonna see a lot more Jordan 4s releasing in 2019. But let's crack on with this one. This one has a cool suede upper. It feels buttery to the touch. Now, there's been a lot of controversy about the quality of this shoe, but I'll get into that a bit later. It's got some lovely details. Inside the tongue, it's got Travis Scott on the left shoe, and on the right shoe, it's got Air Jordan Air on top of cool grey. Also on the insole on the left shoe, you've got the Jumpman logo, and on the right shoe, you've got the Cactus Jack logo. And again, we'll get into the Cactus Jack and the colorway and all that in a moment. On this shoe, you've also got contrasting speckled black overlays. You've got the mesh cage, which has become infamous on the Jordan 4. And you've got the lovely heel panels again with Cactus Jack on the left shoe and the Air Jordan or Jumpman logo on the right shoe. On the inside, you got some red detailing and finishes, and yeah, you got some waxed black laces to finish it all up nicely. So yeah, this is an instant classic. A lot of people are hating on this colorway because they've seen some other ones that may be releasing later, or they might just be friends and family. There's like an olive green pair and a purple pair. Don't know how I feel about the purple ones, but the olive green ones are pretty dope. However, we're talking about this one. Now, what on earth is this blue colorway? What on earth is Cactus Jack? And what on earth, well, was the idea behind this collaboration? Now, this colorway was chosen because there's an American football team called the Oilers, and this is the colorway of their team or their team's kit. The Cactus Jack, again, that comes from Travis Scott again, and his roots from South America. Well, I say South America, Southern America. I might even be wrong about that, so yeah. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's to do with his Southern American roots. And it might even be Texas or something like that. If I'm completely wrong, just ignore this part of the video. Again, fortunate to get these. My Jordan collection is getting pretty good this year, I've got to admit. These were limited. You've probably seen a bag of American reviews on this already because the shoe dropped in the States first and it dropped in the UK or Europe. It dropped in Europe and the UK today, with today being the 23rd of June 2018. Let's get straight into the on-foot shots, yeah? Okay, so the controversy about this shoe. You may have seen some reviews already about this shoe saying that the quality finish or the QA or the quality assurance checks can't have been that good. Now, I want to show you already, don't know if you can see this, but on the tongue, there's a lovely glue stain right there. There's a few other sort of glue leaks and other glue stains on the shoe. It looks like maybe Nike rushed this one out the door, but beggars can't be choosers. I'm still chuffed with the shoe. They look way better on foot than they do in hand. I mean, I really don't think holding it like this does it any justice, to be really honest, but yeah. I didn't expect to get these, so I wasn't expecting to load another review for you guys. So let me know what you think. Let me know whether you passed on these ones or whether you really wanted them and you copped them, or maybe you didn't. The UNC Off-White Jordan 1 dropped today in Europe. I didn't even try properly, if I'm honest. Normal entry on the sneakers app. I went to the gym just because I knew it was gonna be an L. Then I got the confirmation about 40 minutes later. You weren't selected. You got the L. The L. LL Cool J. El Diablo. Something else with L. L. I took that L but I knew I was getting these ones. Now, next week, we see the release of the Air Jordan 4 Levi's. And you got the white pair and the black pair. I'm going for the black pair. I love black with gum soles. They just look instantly rotationable. Made that word up. They look instantly classic. Instant classic. Let's just go with that. Solid. Let's go with instant classic. The white ones look really dope, but I like to keep my shoes clean. I don't want to touch it. I don't customize my shoes because as soon as you customize it, they become bespoke. And you know what bespoke means? No one will ever want it but you. But that's why I'm not going to go for the white ones, because I feel as if I'd end up trying to sell it because they're just going to get messed up unless you like the worn out look. But they look so dope in the clean white colorway that I wouldn't want them to get messed up. You're gonna have to spray about 18 cans of Crep Protect on that, or Rejuvenator if you're overseas. They just look too hard to maintain. But a black pair, oh my diddy. That's going straight on foot. That's going straight into rotation, and you can expect a review the same day. You heard? The same day. That's it for this video. I got another video coming up which will just be a rant, yeah? It's gonna be a rant about them people that think they're the Tony Montana of reselling and they've only ever sold like a pair of 350 Beluga 2.0s. Anytime a retailer comes out with a new release or says this shoe's coming out, or 30th of June, Yeezy Butter 350, you've always got that one know-it-all that puts a comment and says, bricks, these are bricks. To be honest, good. I'm glad you think they're bricks because it means me and my subscribers and followers can pick up the shoe a lot easier. So if you think it's a brick, don't go on it. Don't try and cop it. I don't want to see your IP address on adidas.com at 8 o'clock on the 30th of June trying to cop the shoe that you called a brick a week ago. If you like this video, if you like what you see, share, rate, subscribe, holla at your boy. Don't be scared to comment. I always try and respond back to comments because let's face it, I've got time for that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at caf_official_insta, on Twitter at flytuition or at spacemanfry. And with that said, without further ado, have a good weekend. I'll see you later. Peace.